Samarife choiga jibaron weguru ijo. Hadaino always comes at last. Make good friends ijo. Hadaino always comes at last. Have you seen what you've caused yourself? A bitter end, sorrowful end, evil communications, corrupts good manner. Be wise and know the kind of friends you keep. You were told, but you refuse to listen. Now see your end. Hadaino always comes at last. You chose to reap where you never sow. Hadaino always comes at last. You chose to live wrongly. Now you ended wrongly, my dear. Hadaino always comes at last.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Welcome, ladies. How may I help you?
We are here to see someone in room 211.
211. Is he aware you're coming?
Yes, he is.
Okay, wait a second.
Okay.
211. Please, what are your names?
Just tell him Iguamaka.
Okay. Hello, sir. Yeah, one Ego Amaka is here to see you. Okay, sir. All right, sir. All right. You go to the second room by your left.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, come in. Okay, come in. Wow. Oh, what a beauty. What a beauty. How you doing? You guys are welcome. You girls are welcome. You know what? Order anything you want. This money. Eat and drink anything you want. This money, okay? Fiko, my friend Opanka is coming. He's coming soon. And I've told Opanka a lot about you.
Really?
And he's tripping already. But
What did you tell him about me?
come on, now, you're pretty. You know? Come on, baby. Give daddy a hug.
Cheers.
Daddy a hug. Can I hug her? Let me hug her. Come on. See, there's something I want to do. I don't brag. We don't brag. The kind of money where we get, the money we have. Oh, see, money will swallow you. Money will swallow you. Money will swallow you.
Amen.
Take anything you want. And see, I feel like spending money on you girls. Make the order. Make the order. Make the order. Relax. Enjoy your life.
Okay.
That is here. Come on, baby. Come on. You know, daddy. Don't be shy. Okay? I don't want to brag. Money will swallow you. Money will swallow you.
How did you?
We don't talk too much. Ah! The kind of money we spend on you people. The kind of money. Oh. Order anything you want. Eat and drink anything you want. It's money. The kind of money. See, if you don't know the kind of money where we get. You know. That's it. Opanka, come in. Come in, my man. Brother.
Opanka, welcome.
What's up, man? My nigga, man. How you doing?
The son of the honorable.
Opanka, you're welcome.
I'm really enjoying here, man.
Opanka, welcome.
Oh, wow, this is what they hell Opanka. You know me before? No, I don't see him before.
No,
No, this is my first time seeing you. Just that your friend could not keep your name off his mouth. He kept shouting, Obanka, my friend is coming. Obanka, my friend is coming.
It's Obanka.
Onny.
The heir to the throne of the Honorable Obanka, Honorable Junior.
My guy, leave that throne something, eh? We're not here for throne, man. Yeah? These girls are beautiful. No, I can't get one.
See, these are our girls. Beautiful girls. But let me warn you, this is yours. Stay away from mine.
I like this girl.
Yeah, enjoy. That's yours.
Babe. Come on. We'll go there. Damn. Okay, they will fast. Nina, you're doing it right.
Oh, shit. Oh, Zaka. Zaka goes to do. Oh. See, we'll spend money with the girls. You guys will enjoy.
My high chief.
Oh, right. See, high chief and honorable. High chief and honorable.
My high chief.
Second Google.
My own
Sure.
chief.
Sure. Why would you dress like this? Hey, I told you we come to see girls and you dress like an idiot.
What did I do now? What did I do? Why are you insulting me like this? Yeah?
No sense for package. This will wear your Christmas clothes, come here. Yeah? These girls know we are big people.
Man, I don't dress for women. I'm a hustler. I dress like a hustler. Forget them.
Okay.
You understand? Forget them. I will still get them and still get them down.
So don't shout. See, what we'll do is now, we'll go in there, we'll spray money, show ourselves. But next time, they dress package well. Package well, I beg. Package well.
Now leave that way they talk, I beg.
Dress properly, please. You don't dress like farmer. Eh? Are you Mazokoro's son?
We're wasting time. Oh, let's go. It's okay. Let's go. Come on.
morning, sirs.
Good morning.
Welcome.
My name is Mr. Godwin Okafor, the Divisional Police Officer of Area A. Are you the mother of the little girl?
Oh, yes. She's my grandchild.
Your grandchild?
Yes, sir.
Where is the mother?
She traveled to Lagos to receive the husband that will return any moment from now.
What of Mazi Okaka?
Mazi Okaka is my husband's brother. Should we call him?
Yes. Call him.
Okay.
It's urgent.
We can't call Mazi Okaka. You are welcome. Oh. Let me get seat for you.
Where's Uncle?
He's sleeping. Any problem?
Please wake him. Wake him up. Tell him that the police came and the DPO wants to see him now.
Okay.
Papa! Papa!
Mama told me that the girl's father will be coming into the country any moment from now. And I'm here to tell you that she can be buried. We have concluded our investigations. And I'll be back to tell you what it is when we are finally done.
Thank you, Mr. DPO.
Welcome.
As soon as my in-law comes, we shall come to see you.
Okay. We have made some good arrests, and they're telling us what we need to know. I think I'll take my leave now.
Have you seen the person that shot the gun?
Till then,
a
lot of people are waiting for me in the office.
Mr. DPO, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
It's a good thing that they have made some arrests. Those boys that have the guts to shoot an innocent girl, they will never go free.
He say, my prayers can never be in vain. Wow. A young spirit will torment the killer all the days of his life. Machoma, do I now go and buy a casket? You know our in-law will soon be in the country. I have not rested since this incident occurred.
Yes, Nai. You can start making the arrangements now. Since the police has given us a go-ahead, let's bury her.
Ijia. It's okay, Nechoma, it's okay. Stop crying.
It's okay.
Akwazina. You go? Wadebe,
Nah, my brother, see your belly safe, see your belly big. Nah, all these our police, they make me laugh. What's up? That small girl now, that small girl went die so now. I hear the police just they arrest innocent people for nothing when they just do innocent.
But not today. That one shouldn't even be surprising you now. Now police now. Police will do everything in the power to make sure that they arrest even ants. So that they will know that yes, we arrested something. I'm telling you, that's why I've been telling you this thing. Let us do fast and leave this village. Before these people will come one day and arrest us for breathing too much. And we'll go and waste our lives in the prisons.
Hey.
Like,
as in, some people that did not even know anything about this case, like they will just go to prison for nothing.
My brother. Hi. Innocent souls be do prison, and then full prison. Hi. See, let's leave this village. I'm not going to get this thing. I can't survive prison.
So, when did you get the good news?
This morning.
After 5 years of marriage, 5 good years, and now she gives birth to a pair of twins. Hey! I love good news.
Good news I have been praying for. How can my child be in a marriage for 5 years without a child? Banana.
When are you going for the Omugo?
When they come back from the hospital.
Okay.
They will come back here and carry me.
Ah.
You see that my in-law? He's a very nice man. That man will call me every day to ask how I am doing. So when they come back from the hospital, they will come. And then off. Here. Chiso.
What happened to Chiso?
She will run from here to Monze. No control. Nobody will ask her to do anything again. So she's free. She will fly anyhow.
Ne? Don't bother yourself about Chiso. Eh? When that time comes, I will know what to do. Eh? Don't worry about Chiso. Meanwhile, I'll get a cock and 8 tubers of yam ready. Eh? So that when you are going, you will go with me.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, that's what I should do.
God bless you.
No, I'm so happy.
God bless you. God bless you.
But don't worry about Chiso. Hey, Ejima.
One day more. Aririo. One day more. Akwe bukane be.
Biko! Oh God, Biko, make me the good in Ada Biko. Oh God, Biko, man, oh God, Biko, please, I beg you. Oh God, I'm sorry. It's all my fault. Biko, forgive me, man. If I had not asked my grandchild to come on holiday, this wouldn't have happened. She wouldn't have been in the mortuary. Oh, why would I give her a baby? I am begging you for me. Mama. Oh, my fault. Oh, come on, big. Don't worry.
When you've wasted a life, upon where I got
fuck up why were you looking at my ego baby like that? Eh? Or is it because of that small drink that you took?
So because of woman make you talk say they fuck up. Me or Panka they fuck up. Anyway, I don't even know what I was doing. You know, whenever I see some beautiful ladies, you know, with sweet bombo, very soft, I normally lose my mind. So when are we seeing those girls again?
We can see them anytime we want to see them. Just that they won't sleep out because of their mother.
You can't spend all that we've spent on them and not to something, you understand? So, I mean, we lavished a lot of money on them.
I know, man, those girls are in love. Man, do you see how happy they were when we gave them $1? They've not seen $1 before that.
I just gave it to them to go and help their lives, you know. But now, see, we can't just spend all we spend on those girls and not to do something. We must swim that pool.
We will just.
We must swim.
We will take it one step at a time. I beg, give me smoke. We can smoke first. I beg. And you remove your eye from my elbow. Move your eye from my. Focus on your own.
That your girl.
No. Stop it.
Hey. Take shot. You go give me your girl.
For what now?
You go give me the girl.
Focus on your. Keep your smoke now.
You go give me that. Take. You go give me the girl.
My in-law, Francis.
Yeah.
We have to see this as an act of faith. What God does not know does not happen. We need to go and see the DPO and thank him for what he and his team has done. He told me that they've made some arrests. So let us go and see him.
Mazi, just like you said, we've made some arrests. I wish these arrests would translate into bringing back the life of my daughter. As you can see, it wouldn't. So the arrest is inconsequential to me. Yeah, of course, the police have done their best in the investigations. I mean, the efforts they've put in. I'll go and thank them. I will. Whoever killed my daughter, I know the person will never go scot-free. I mean, the blood of my daughter will haunt that person. What's important to me now is burying my daughter. I think that was important now.
You just said my mind, honey. Let's just bury the small girl. Let her soul rest in peace. And forget all these things. Let's just bury her.
It's all right. It's all right. Ogum. Please. I want us to go and see the DPO and thank them immediately for all they have done so far.
It's okay. It's okay. Not a bad idea. Not a bad idea.
One day more, one day more, one day more. Aririo. One day more, one day more. Akwe bukale be. One day more, Aririo. One day more. You've wasted an innocent girl who love you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, DPO.
We have done our best to carry out various investigations about how she died. Who fired the bullet? Who are those boys? The ones we arrested, we have freed them because our early investigations showed that they are not connected with the crime. But we can never stop. All we shall do is to bury her. But we have the very bullet that pierced the skull.
Once again, thank you, DPO. We appreciate all you have done. This is terrible. It is terrible.
DPO, we shall see after the burial. But I want to personally thank you immensely, I mean, you and your team, for the efforts you've put so far in trying to unravel the cause of my daughter's death. Quite commendable. Appreciate. God in His infinite mercy will continue to bless you and your team. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
We shall be on our way now.
No problem.
Mazi.
What did Ozima do to anybody? I mean, what did she do? Who did she offend? I mean, my first fruit, I mean, wasted like that. For what? The birth of that girl. I mean,
opened doors of success for me. Oku, you remember I told you Ojema's birth was a blessing in disguise?
Yes, you did.
I mean, everything turned around for good. Who did I offend? My daughter's life, stone dead. She can't even recognize me. I spoke, she didn't say anything. Why?
It's all right. It's all right.
Hold yourself. You see dozens lie inside there. That is what we see every day. Take it easy on yourself. God will console you. Why come and bring a casket with burial clothes and white stockings and gloves for our dressing.
It's okay. Thank you very much.
It's all right, mortuary attendant. We shall do just that.
Okay, sir.
Fine, look.
Uncle,
Let's go.
I should bring.
It's okay.
I should bring casket for Zuma.
It's okay.
White socks and wet.
You need to be a man. It's okay. Life is full of pains.
Uncle, this is hard. Uncle, this is hard.
Who love you so much, Ebuka. Ebuka no one mere. The only thing she did is loving you. Now you are crying. One day more, one day more, one day more. One day more, one day more. Now you wanna see.
Uncle. It's okay. You have to go to our Omonna, that our daughter will be buried in the next day. Also go to your mother's people. Tell them that we will need them at our in-laws' place on time. Hmm?
Okay, Uncle.
Stop crying. Stop crying, eh? Stop crying. Be a man. Hmm? Milo, please sit down. Ibuka has been crying since this incident happened.
I never knew I would have survived seeing Ozioma being lowered in the grave. God has been merciful. I'm very sure that she's going to come back again.
Sure she will. She knew we all love her. God, please accept her innocent soul. But you know what? I love how her father buried her in his own compound. Or that should have carried her to the bush and claimed she's a child.
Choice stay fast, my sister. At least she will rest, and the police will rest too.
It's just a sad end, Izuku, seriously.
Those girls, they say they want to come and see us. So let them come so we can move together. Yes, sir.
They see us how they look you.
What did I do?
You're not a big boy. You don't have a car. Eh? You're planning on telling them to come here so we all move together. Why don't you tell them to come here first? So we'll plan on how to go to the hotel, maybe tomorrow or next.
Boss, sit down. You only the pass to do that thing. Those girls now, they don't sweet you. You don't forget your chisel.
My brother, Chisom's mother is just a nightmare. Eh? And it's a nightmare. I don't tire. Call these girls now. Call them.
Okay, let me call them. Let me order me around.
Call them now, guy. Call them.
Hello, baby. Baby. How are you?
Go straight to the point. Go straight to the point.
Relax.
Baby, me love.
Yes, I'm waiting for your call. You can come over now. Huh? She's not home. And you can come first. And when she comes, she'll come and join you. Huh? Okay, good, good. Just tell any bike man to bring it to Honorable's house. Honorable. You don't know Honorable? Honorable is Opaka's father. A very big politician. You know I don't roll with poor men's children. His father and my father, they are... Oh, I've not told you. I don't like showing myself too much. I don't think like... We like to keep it low. On a low. Yeah. His father and my father, they are big politicians in Abuja. Now men when they rule Abuja now. Yes, now. Alright, I'll see you soon. I
must buy you a drink.
My G! Now we wash her, I will wash them well.
Oh, that your girl.
Oh, that's my brother.
My love.
Oh, baby. Hi, Zekuzeleze. Hi, I miss you. I missed you so much.
I missed you too. So, this is where you guys calm your heads down.
Yeah, this is where we chill.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's a nice place. Yeah. Opanka, this one you're not talking.
Why I go talk? When you enter here, you greet me. Secondly, your sister no follow you come. And why I go talk?
No vex, I no greet you now. As I see my baby, now everybody they shock me.
Don't mind, this man is in love.
I'm sorry. Sorry about my sister. She went to somewhere very important. But she will soon be here.
You see? Relax, relax. You're going to the hot. Relax. Baby, what's up, girl?
Good, my love.
Yeah, give me some sugar. Give daddy some sugar.
Man said they like that kind of thing. I can't do it for my front.
My guy. Relax, my guy. Relax. This man is in love. Relax, nigga. Relax. My baby. Oh, Zakalunu Zele.
You have seen what has befallen us. Uzoma, your niece is no more. I have been crying. Mama has been crying. Everybody has been crying. We all miss her. I'll be going back to Lagos with my husband. I don't want you to give Mama stress. I don't want you to cause any issues for Mama. Uzoma's death alone is enough stress on her. So please, do the right thing. Be useful with your life. If there's anything you want to do, let me know. If you still want to travel abroad, still let me know so I can beg my husband.
You are a good sister. Thank you very much, oh. Thank you very much, oh. Sister, all your efforts. All your efforts for me to be useful to myself. I disappointed everybody. What have you not done for me? And what did I give me 1 year no? But I messed you thing up. If I had listened to you and Mama, if I had listened to
It's okay, stop crying. This alone has proven to me that you've repented. Stop crying.
Sister, you will not understand. You will not understand. My heart is heavy. Ozioma, your ice cream is here. Ozioma, your biscuits is here. Ozioma.
Huh? Move! Ewo. Hey. What is this? Oh, what is this? What is this? What is this?
Yeah, madam,
what is this? Eh? Okay. Hey. What is going on?
Stand up.
What is?
Huh? Get up.
Eh? Okay. Hey. Ewo. What? Hey, baby. Baby.
Hey, what's going on now?
Hey,
shut up your mouth.
Hey,
come on.
I'm here.
Hey, police officer.
You both have been terrorizing this community, claiming to be international businessmen. We followed you up.
Okay, go. Even you.
You all wasted the life of an innocent girl. And that mama you guys tortured, she died in America. Hey! Chimo! Opanka! Am I still the love of your life?
No. If you talk, I will wake you.
I know they sleep. Sorry.
Opanka, who knows she? Where is Hey! Jesus.
Hey! Stop shouting.
Jude, who knows she? Hey!
Opanka. Oloshi. Hi! Chi. So those dollars. Nke for Nanyam. Nke mama. All those drink. You people bought with stolen money. So you people have been the ones stealing in this village. And Merigini. Opanka, you are a thief. Hi! Chimo. Oloshi.
No.
Hey, Mama, thank God.
Hey, Chelu.
If you move.
What has my daughter done? You came into this community to arrest her. What happened?
Mama, she has been an information minister to this fool. She has been collecting money. Mama, if you want to know more, come with us to the headquarters.
As a culprit.
You will come with us.
Have you seen it?
Mama, from your...
Have you seen it? Jesus, stop! You say no! Jesus, stop! It's Mumba! You are following this idiot! Because I know this boy will put you into trouble.
I love her. I love her. Huh?
Hey! Have you seen it now? Chisom, have you seen why I normally do this to you? You have seen it now. You have seen it now. Chisom, do you know the symbol of justice? You don't know it? Let me show it to you. I'm not fiaki. Just wait for me. I want to show it. Yes! This is the symbol of justice. Stop! You say Mumba! Paris, take her away. Hi, Mama.
Let's go, get it. Let's go.
Stop! You say no!
Hey, whoa. Hey!
They're following this idiot! Jesus!
Have you seen what you've caused yourself? A bitter end, sorrowful end, evil communications, corrupts good manner. Be wise and know the kind of friends you keep. You were told, but you refused to listen. Now see your end. Always comes at last. You chose to reap where you never.
Where is the father of the dead child?
He left for Lagos this morning.
Do you have a son called Ibekwe?
Yes. He's my late brother's son. A nephew to the late Uzioma. What about him?
Where is he?
Officer, Ibekwe is my brother. I hope there is no problem.
He is connected to the death of Uzioma. As a matter of fact, his colleagues are in the police custody. So we need to pick him up for questioning.
Your son Ibekwe is among the bad boys that have been terrorizing this community and using arms. And on one of the occasions, as they were fighting and dragging a gun, the bullet pulled and hit your granddaughter Uzioma.
What did you just say? Ibekwe, Mom! Police? It's again? Una again? Ibekwe Nwam knew what happened to Uzioma 1 year.
Yes. Where is he?
Is that what you're saying?
Officers, no. Go in and search for him. Bring him here.
No!
Bring him here.
No!
Go and get water. Go and get water. Go and get water.
Don't touch him. This is poison. Sir, the young man is dead. He drank this poisonous substance and gave up. He equally dropped a written note to his family.
Let's go.
Everyone should please forgive me. It was a mistake. I don't know how to face my mother and sisters, having in mind I was the one who pulled the trigger that killed my own sister's child. Please forgive me.
Ebuka, it's Uche. Ebuka, Ebuka, it's Uche. Ebuka,
Now you wanna see her back when you've wasted a life.